Bro, I mean, you can do whatever you want to, but don't crash yourself. That's what I can tell you again and again and again. Okay. I mean, I mean, you know, so problem is very very simple. Problem is not even problem. Problem could be a problem. So very careful about it. Okay. By the way, you hide yourself with this way, and then you go for. But I'm telling you, this is not going to work. Either way, it is working or it is not working. Let's see if it is working. Okay, so it is going to take a lot of things because of so many reasons. Okay, so Control C to make it done from here, and then do you have this secret knowledge of this Open VPN so that you can, look for this free VPN? VPN books are most probably these VPN books are free. So let's go with the Canadian or let's go with the US or any other thing. Let's go with the Poland thing, Polish VPN. Let's set the file and let's see where is it. This is the file here. Then you unzip it, extract here. Not really, you just extract here. So you have the extracted file on downloads. Okay. So now your work is to go back, then go for CD download. Okay. Can you see this here? Okay. Now CD VPN book dash open VPN dash PL140. Okay, this is the thing you have right now. So open, so you have to go with the open VPN command. Then go for any of this. Go for any of this one. Go for any of this one. I don't think. Okay, I'll just go this one. Okay, copy selection and paste selection. Go for this, and this is VPN book, and password is open to you also. DNX97SA 97SA. By the way, it keep changes within 2-3 weeks. So make sure you might be have the different one. So you have this installed when it shows this one initialization secret completed or something, not secret, sorry, initialization sequence completed. That means this whole VPN has been updated. Now you go for google.com. Does it open? It doesn't open. It is not working so properly because it is not valid anymore. So that means you have to extract this, and it has been extracted. Now you go for it. Now it is working. Okay. So these are the things. You gotta be make sure a lot of things by doing this kind of work. So this is security problems not only with the network, also you can secure the whole system also. Linux is the only operating system, I'm not telling you this. You can go with your Windows also by CMD. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys later. Take care.